Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to either set or change the master code for your Kwikset lock. So there's a lot of different types of these Kwikset locks, but in general this is going to be a similar process, so you can try to use this on your particular lock. Flipping the door over to the other side, you want to take off this covering that we have so that we can access the program button that's behind this. So there was a screw right here and right here, and I took it out with this little screwdriver that I had. So once I took those two screws off, then I can just slide this right off. And you can see on the back of this Kwikset lock, we have our program button right here. One quick thing to mention, we have these four little switches here on the back. The third one is in relation to the master code. So to set up and use a master code, you need to make sure that this third little switch here is toggled to the on position. So what we're going to do is hold down the program button for 5 seconds. After that, we can program the code on the other side. It can be between 4 to 8 digits long. Again, you want it different than any of the lock codes that you have. So like I said, we're going to hold down that program button on the back here for about 5 or so seconds until we get a green light to flash. And once we do that, then we can enter in the code that we would like. And then after you enter in your code, click the lock button. And again, this code can be 4 to 8 digits long. And then we're gonna verify this by doing the same code and clicking the lock again. And you can see we had that green flash and the loud sound. That means that our master code has now been set. So now I'm going to go over the process on how to change a master code. So for this particular Kwikset lock, what we're going to do is delete the current master code, then enter in a new one. This process could be a little bit different depending on what model of Kwikset lock that you have. So if this doesn't work for you, be sure to check your specific model for how to accomplish this. And to delete the current master code, what we're going to do is hold down the program button on the back for about 5 or so seconds until we get the green flash. And once we get the green flash, what we want to do is click the lock button. Then we're going to enter in that master code, click lock, enter in the master code again, click lock. We get the green flash and we get that sound, and that indicates that that master code has now been deleted. So at this point, it's really simple to add a new master code. It's the same process that we went through before originally. We're going to hold down the program button for a handful of seconds here until we get the green flash. And then we're going to enter in the new master code, click lock, enter in the new master code again, click lock. And now in this example, I changed the master code from 4 zeros to 4 ones, and I was able to do that by deleting the old master code, and then we entered in that new master code. And that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. So I hope it was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how to set the master code, how to delete it, how to change it with your Kwikset lock. If this process did not work for you, I recommend looking up your particular model and seeing if there's a different way to go about doing this, but this is how you do it for this particular Kwikset SmartCode lock. And again, I hope that this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.